Hi. In order to attach a document to a task when creating an automation is simple. So I am logged into Legalboards. I'll click on My Automations and create one task automation from scratch so you can walk with me as I do that. And click on Add New Automation here at the top. I want to create a new Clio task or a new task in case you are using the core version or integrating with another system. Select the trigger that you are using for this specific task. I will use card movement for this as for example. It's going to be the reporter, the assignee for this task. And as you incorporate information as like the title, the description for this task, you will see that you have a new box in here that will allow you to drag and drop or upload from your computer a document. So you can attach a document directly into the task, letting your paralegal know a template or etc. So after that, all you have to do is save the automations, and that's it. It's ready to roll. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you. Bye-bye.